Yan, hello, hello, good morning. So, andito tayo sa Tamarack Snow Park sa Shaver Lake. Anyway, ito yung Shaver Lake, ito yung other side niya. Usually, dito kami banda nagsa-sledding, but this time, kung napapansin niyo wala ng snow. Kaya akala din namin nung napadaan kami dito ay wala na talagang snow, kaya mukhang masasayang din yung araw natin, Pero good thing ay tinuloy nga din namin dun sa pinakadulo, which is about half mile to 1 mile ang layo mula dito sa Shaver Lake. Yun pala ang dami pang snow dito, Kaya merong mga snow park area dito, So marami-rami din yung snow park area nila dito, kaya diretsuhin mo lang, So kahit February na at patapos na yung winter ay may snow pa rin dito na area. Grabe, yung kanilang parkingan dito is first come first serve. Yan yung kanilang bathroom. So, don't expect na malinis kasi sobrang daming tao. Grabe, ang daming tao.
Tayo!
Anyway, dito sa snow park na ito, required nila yung permit. It's either bumili ka online or pwede din dito. Kasi meron silang ranger na nagche-check ng permit, If ever wala ka nun, paaalisin ka dito sa kanilang parking area or mag-purchase ka ng permit sa kanila. So, pwede mong bilhin ito online. So, isearch mo lang Tamarack Snow Park and then click mo yung website and then click mo yung purchase, So, meron silang option dito, It's either i-print mo yung ticket once na confirm na or ipapa-shipping mo mula sa kanila. Pero pag sila ang mag-shipping ng inyong ticket, meron itong additional fee. So, depende kung gaano katagal kasi may 3 days or 7 days. Ito yung kanilang rate sa shipping ng inyong permit, Kaya I highly recommend na ipa-print mo na lang or i-print mo sa bahay ninyo. So, ito pala yung kanilang rate, So, once nakapili ka na dyan, depende sa'yo kung alin yung pipiliin mo. Meron pang $1.95 na additional fee para sa convenience fee, So, once na okay na iyan, ay bibigyan ka ng confirmation, i-email yan sa'yo at yun ay ipiprint mo lang, Anyway, itong parking permit na binili mo ay hindi guarantee na makakapark ka dito sa area na to kasi nga limited lang yung kanilang parking area kaya first come first serve ito. Pero good thing is yung parking permit na binili mo ay pwede sa ibang snow park dito sa area na to kasi meron silang 4 na snow park na malapit dito. So if ever full yung kanilang parking area dito, pwede ka maghanap na ibang snow park at pwede doon yung permit na binili mo. Oh, hi!
Come on, Mason, you can have...
Malaki na kasi yung ate eh.
Ay, gusto pala eh. Don't go there!
Oh.
The tunnel,
Ay,
Mama, the tunnel goes longer, but it's too far, so...
hi ate!
Go inside my...
So today is February 22. So pag doon ka mismo sa may Shaver Lake, wala nang snow doon. So kailangan mo mag-drive all the way papunta dito, which is mga half mile lang naman ang layo. So ayan, marami pa siyang snow. Kaya ang dami pang nagsasled. Yan. Oh, ayan.
Okay, hold on. Let's just hold. Just hold and if it falls...
Okay ate, just go.
Oh my God! It's nothing clear.
super luwang ng area kaya hindi ka masisikipan kasi maraming spot kung saan mo gusto. Yan. Pwede ka rin dito sa taas. Yan. So, yan. Dito kami pwesto. Yan.
Mommy. No, Mom, I keep saying my turn. Please. You got runny nose, can you wipe?
Yan. Ganyan kaluwang. Okay, ready?
Guys, okay.
Oh my god! I told you! We have to bring the other one. Oh my god. Okay. I think we need to get the one with the tie.
Yeah. I don't want to.
I'm scared of this one. Do you see this? You okay? Ah.
The other time when I went by myself, I bumped into a tree and it went in my private part.
Oh my god.
I said stop it. I'm gonna make myself.
Go! Hawakan mo yung tali. Aba, maganda!
Mom,
Yes!
I was going so
I
fast.
know! Yes!
Look,
Oh!
I was going so fast that I did this and then I went like that and then boom.
Boom!
That happened to me. Now my butt hurts.
The stick bump on my thing. Sabi ko, what thing? You know, my private thing. Yay! Yung pet mo! Yay! Oops! Alright! Woo! Woo! Watch out! Yay! Oh my god! Oh my god, I think I got that.
It's still going.
Yeah, it's nice. I think it's nice sledding here, huh?
Yeah, this is the best area when it's snowing. Kasi mabilis sila. Hi!
Dapat ikaw mauna kung mag-video.
Yeah, ready? That's it. Go. Yeah, lunch time. Ayan, pwede silang mag-sled na lang. Dito, oh. You can sled here. Ayun. Gulay-gulay kasi puro karne, eh. Ano na?
Wala, ano ito?
Hey, man.
Okay.
Umiikot. Kahit ganun gawin mo talaga malaki umbok eh.
Mabilis.
Just go there. Where are these? We can pick one.
Oops. Careful. Oops. Hey. Oops. Oh, wow. You know how to brake. Ayan, gagawa siya ng anak niya. Ang anak niya. Ano yan? Itlog ba yan? Or snowman?
Itlog ng ano, ng crocodile. Here. Let's build our snowman.
Snowman, itlog.
Snow log.
Snowlog. Iglog. Iglog. Oh, she's making iglog.
Let's build our snow globe.
So, snow globe. Inalog-log na yan. Oh, hi! Yay! Good job, ate! Ano, kanya-kanya kayo gawa ng iglog?
Di ba malaki na?
I know. Baka makabuo ka niyan mamaya.
Basta maglakad lang siya.
Basta maglakad siya.
Mama, look at mine. Good job. And then you just walk to make it even.
Oh.
Mama, this is the lower part.
Yay. Careful.
Watch out.
Ooh.
I just do it flat.
Good job. You tried, ate. Ay. Ginagaya mo yung ginagawa niya, ha?
Don't make it too big. Just
Man, utak mo yung balls niya.
One layer lang ngayon. Bukas na yung tatlo.
Nasungay?
Lumalabas yung mata. Oh my God. Ay! Oh, ay, nako. Nako. Nako.
it got hair. Wobble wobble. The hand's kind of big. And I give him eyebrows.
She don't have money to buy eyebrows. That's why she's browless.
Don't break it.
Yay! Naunahan ka? Lumalangoy.
Yung pa ako naman nakabreak.
Oh, one shot lang yung sa kanya. Ayaw na niya.
Where?
Daddy, I don't like no more. Okay, go on the side. Someone is coming.
You ready? There's nothing to be scared of. Tilt to the right, tilt to the right. To the right. To the right! Sige ka na. Use your brake! Okay, there, good. Ready na, kabayo! Kabayo! Kabayo pa ba?
Mabigat yung karga eh, kaya...
Mabilis kasi mabigat.
Mabilis, mabigat. Yung dalawa naman eh. Gutom ka nga naman talaga nito after.
Parang swimming din eh.
I know. Gutom after.
Baliktad.
I know. Hi, Ate.
Ang bilis lang kay Mason.
Oo. O dahil sa posisyon ni Ate.
I think that one is little thicker than that. That
Oh.
one's thin.
So, ayan na no, saktong 3 p.m. ngayon ay napagod na din sila sa wakas dahil akala namin hindi ito mapapagod tong dalawang to, no? Kaya ngayon, pauwi na kami dahil nga 2 hours pa yung biyahe pauwi sa bahay. Pero ang ending, pagdating namin malapit sa parking area, ayan, humirit pa yung dalawa na last na daw ulit ito. So, magsasled sila ulit for the last time. Pero ang ending, yung last nila, syempre, palaging last hanggang sa nakarami din sila ulit dito. So, ayun na nga, no? At dito na nga nagtapos yung ating snow time or yung ating snow fun time. Kaya ngayon ay pauwi na tayo sa bahay kasi nga ayaw din natin gabihin sa daan dahil nga super winding road din yung daan papunta dito. So, yun lang. Share ko lang. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye, everyone!